Hello there, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be focusing in on a makeover in my brother's living room. So this is the before of the living room. I just wanted to be able to show you guys how the space is. The first day that I came over to just do a quick walkthrough, get measurements, and then after I do that, I'm going to be heading out and just doing some shopping. So before we get started, I just want to thank each and every one of you for all of the support that you've been giving me over the past 2 months. If you're not aware, we are a new channel. We've only been around for 2 months, and boy, have I had so much fun with you guys. We were just monetized yesterday, so I want to thank you guys so much for your support, and I just want to continue growing with you guys. So today I thought that I would just focus in and give you guys a little more background as to my design process when I start on a project. So I actually did this project during the ending of the pandemic. So you'll see me with a mask on just as protection. So what I started out with was just taking a quick visit over to my brother's apartment to just get a feel for the space itself. While I was there, I took photos, I took measurements, I paid attention to the layout. And then once I had all of that, I went to Pinterest to try and figure out different design styles. And then I presented different images to my brother to just find out, like, I knew how the room looked, but I wanted to know what he wanted the room to look like. I know that he wanted me to add in a warm and cozy vibe to the space, but I really wanted to know, did he want it to be more on the modern side, more on the farmhouse side, more on the eclectic side? So I just sent him a bunch of images for him to just take a look at and then tell me things that he either liked or disliked about each image. So I'm going to pop up all of the images that I sent over to my brother so that you guys can see, where we were starting from. So the first image I sent over was this one, and I considered it to be more on the modern side. And then the second one was this image, which is more on the farmhouse side of things. And then I had an eclectic, more colorful combination that I sent him. So the image that he was drawn to was this modern image. And I thought that it reminded me a lot of his furniture, the color. So I came up with this vision board and I just created it in Canva. I decided to just mix in blues, grays, browns, creams, and of course the darker gray color of his sofa. So once I had established the design style that he liked and also built my mood board, I went out and I did like a little shopping. I went to Home Goods and I also went to HomeSense, and I just looked at a lot of items that I thought would look really nice with his furniture. Now, while I was doing that, I was also trying to figure out a better layout. As you can see from this image here, his layout that he currently had was blocking the flow. So what I decided was to just totally change the layout. And so what I did was I moved the TV towards the right hand side, and I put his larger sofa towards the back and the love seat on the left hand side. And this really just opened up the space. It didn't chop it off anymore, it just made it a little more inviting. So that when you enter the space, there was a nice flow into the seating area. So one of the main things that I try to do is find an anchor piece. And I really feel that this rug was the anchor piece for this design because it plays into the wall color and the furniture, and it really pops on these oak floors. It just gives a really nice, warm, grounding sense to the room itself. So this is the next day and I'm just starting the design process. So I'm just starting to place all of the items that I bought for the space. I'm also going to be bringing in a beautiful piece of artwork that I made for my brother. It actually is the color palette. So I made a piece of artwork that I thought would really soften up the space, but also bring in all of the colors that are used in the space. So that's going to be hanging on the wall over the love seat, and it's just going to look absolutely amazing in the space. So this space is amazing to just add in a lot of greenery. So my brother already had a couple of plants and I just added in a couple more. I picked up some plant stands at Home Goods, so we're just going to be adding them into the space as well. In my last couple of videos, I've been asking you guys, and boy, have you been helping me out. I've just been asking if you enjoy my vibe to just leave me a home emoji in the comment section. The reason why I'm asking is because it really helps me out with showing YouTube that you are enjoying my videos and we're engaging with each other. And what they do is they will push the video out to more viewers like yourself that will enjoy my videos as well. So if you're on a device that you're able to leave a comment, please leave me a home emoji down below. Thanks. So one other special thing that I did was I kept his original coffee table and side table. I just gave them a coat of blue paint, and they look absolutely amazing. They brighten up the space. I really like the way that they turned out. So I just wanted to mention I am going to be doing a project recap at the end of the video, just showcasing a couple of my most recent projects so you can get a feel for other videos that we've been putting out on the channel. If you see anything that you like, the playlist is going to be linked in the description so you can check those videos out. I just want to thank you guys for all of your love and support. Again, I really appreciate you. I wouldn't be here without you watching my videos and sharing them. So I just wanted to thank you guys again. So we're going into the before and then we're going to go into the after. So until the next time, which will be Sunday, I just wanted to wish you guys an amazing weekend, and I'll see you again here on Sunday.
Some kind of bird.